AMG has a full line of network products, but one of the products that we're talking about today is the PoE injectors. And what are the applications? What are the problems we're solving with these? I know one of the questions that come up is, where are we using these and what is the application? And I know we're working with a lot of customers who it's retrofit, it's analog going to IP, it's some of it's brand new installations, but these products specifically are really geared for that. Hey, you already have an existing infrastructure, you already have a switch maybe in there, but it either is not producing PoE or it's not producing enough PoE. These are, you don't have to change out now the network switch, because your infrastructure costs and the network switches are really where the biggest cost is.
Right. And if you're only doing one or two, PoE devices, do you really want to rip that switch out that you spent the money for, add a new one? As a manufacturer of switches, I would like that just selfishly.
Sure.
But yeah, it makes sense. If you've got one device to power, you put one of these in, you plug your data in, you get data and power out, you give it some DC voltage, or again, we have an AC powered one. So these are NDA and TA qualified, which is really great. I don't think there's another product on the market that truly is NDA, TA.
Okay.
But this one is an AC powered version. So same idea.
Right.
You're retrofitting a situation. You need 90 watts. Again, data in, data and power out.
Right.
AC powered, it'll give you 30 watts, 60 watts, or 90 watts out. DIN rail mount on the back. And then another cool feature, especially if you're out in a cabinet, roadside or somewhere where there's vibration on a bridge. We give you this line locking cord. This guy won't wiggle out. You won't lose power, because of a truck going by or something, or somebody hits it.
And I know a lot of people
really
say,
cool.
well, line locking, that's been around forever and a day. What's so special about this? But in the ITS market, where again, this product really is going to probably live 80% of the time, now all of a sudden you got somebody open up that cabinet and hitting your line, and all of a sudden now it pops out or it wiggles out because of road vibration.
Right.
Now all of a sudden the integrator or the end user's got to roll a truck to do what? Push the power now back in.
Yeah, and not only that, is you have to have generally a qualified electrician to play with AC voltage. So say it's in the middle of the night, you get a guy out there who's got to put a new injector in, and he doesn't have this AC powered one with the line locking cord. He's going to have to run that AC to it. He could get shocked. There's all kinds of things, short it out, do all those things. So that helps, with the maintenance, makes it simple and easy. And it's a really cool solution. And like I said, I've been doing the ITS part for a long time, and I show this to our guys, and they just absolutely love it, because it just you plug that right into a UPS, and you're all done, right? So
I also do, like, with the AMG product portfolio, part numbers right there. The information is silk screened on here. All your other information is here, because so many times, especially when you're working in a cabinet, like a roadside cabinet, you can't get to the top or bottom or anything like that. So, hey, here's pretty much all the information you need to know. It is DIN rail mounted. It's all heavy duty. It's steel. It's not plastic. So if you do have to get to the side or anything like that, or change it out, it's easy, it's simple, and I tell you what,
it's hefty, and so many of our competitors use these plastic DIN rail clips. And again, I mean, it's huge. You're in a cabinet, it might be on a bridge, it's getting vibrated, and you have those plastic things, they're going to fall off.
Sure.
It just makes your installation professional, secure, and you want these things to work, and you don't want to have to roll trucks.
Yep.
So I think we solve a lot of issues, and it was great being here and testing a bunch of these devices with a whole bunch of different Bosch cameras, especially the ones the MIC and the new what's the new Bosch series,
the new Gen 6 Autodomes, because again, now we're in that transition phase too, with a lot of camera manufacturers going from AT to BT. So about compatibility and what will work. The nice thing is your portfolio can really support both sides, AT, BT, but also all the different 30, 60, 90 watt power. So it always comes down to it, Dave. If you're not sure, you can always call, AMG or you, Dave, but you can always call Midchest, the support at midchest.com, and we'll help you out with the part.
And thanks for your time. It was great hanging with you guys and just playing with a bunch of cool equipment, and we really look forward to our partnership.
Thank you, Dave.
Absolutely.